Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 4 of the 2021 Core Maths WASSCE Theory questions. We'll begin with question 4a. The diagram is a cylindrical pipe with length 210 centimeters. It has external diameter of 16 centimeters and is 1 centimeter thick. Find the volume of the meter used in constructing the pipe. So let's begin with our solution for question 4. So we know the length of the pipe, which is 210 centimeters. It has an external diameter of 16 centimeters. So it means the whole of this is 16 centimeters. So big D is equal to 16 centimeters. The thickness is 1 centimeter. The volume of the material used in constructing the pipe. So the whole volume minus the space, minus the hollow space, will be the volume of the material used in constructing the pipe. The volume of material will be equal to the total volume minus the volume of the hollow space. The volume of a cylindrical pipe, you know that V is equal to, which is the volume, is equal to pi r squared h. So first, let's take the total volume. The total volume will be, V total will be pi. Now R will be half of this. The whole of this is 16. So half of this will be 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So pi times 8 squared h. And then VH. So this is the hollow space and this is the diameter. So this is the hollow space. This is the hollow space and this is the diameter of the hollow space. From here to here is 16 and from here to here is 1, from here to here is 1. So from here to here will be 14. So 14 plus 1 is 16. So the diameter of the hollow space is 14. So the radius will be the diameter over 2, which is 14 over 2. And that will give us 7. So our V of hollow space will be pi r, which is 7 squared h. So then we can say that the volume of the material, V material, will be equal to our V total, which is pi 8 squared h minus pi 7 squared h. Now V mat can also be written as pi h multiplying 8 squared minus 7 squared. Now 8 squared minus 7 squared should give us 15. So our V mat will be equal to pi h times 15. And our h here is the length of the pipe, which is 210 centimeters. So this will be equal to 22 over 7 times 210 times 15. When we punch it on our calculator, our V mass should be equal to 9,900 centimeters cube. Alright, so this brings us to the end of question 4a. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your questions and comments in the comment section. So we'll be moving on to question 4b. Question 4b. The coordinates of the points M and N are 5, -7, and 0, 5, respectively. Calculate the distance between M and N. So this is our M, and this point is our N. And you are asked to find the distance between M and N. So finding this and this. Now that distance will be the length of the line MN. And we know that length of MN when given coordinates will be equal to x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So we know our M to be 5, -7, and our N to be 0, 5. Now this will be our x1, this will be our x2, this will be our y1, and this will be our y2. So the length of MN will be equal to square root of x2, which is 0, minus x1, 5, all squared, plus y2, which is 5, minus -7, all squared. The length MN will be equal to the square root of 0 minus 5, all squared, plus, now 5 minus -7 is 5 plus 7, so 5 plus 7, all squared. This will be equal to 0 minus 5 will be -5, all squared, plus 5 plus 7 will be 12. So 12 all squared. So our MN will be equal to the square root of, so -5 squared is 25, plus 12 squared is 144. So MN will be equal to the square root of 25 plus 144. We have 169. And the square root of 169 is 13. So we have 13 units. Now this brings us to the end of question 4. In our next video, we'll be solving the question 5 of the 2021 WASSCE Core Maths theory questions.